My name is Anne, I'm French and I've been living in London for the past 2 years and I'm a freelance full-stack developer. I come from a business background where I was studying business management and strategy consulting, and I was working first in consulting and then as a customer success manager for a software company. And I was always in contact with developers, which made me want to become one. Wagon prepared me really well for my career change, since he gave me all the resources and tools to become a proper full-stack developer and keep on learning on my own. And he gave me access to this huge community which can help you when needed. My best bit of the bootcamp was the intensity and the amount of things you would learn in such a short time in 9 weeks, and also all the great people I've met. So far I have 2 freelance projects. I'm working on a project management app for a charitable trust in France, and I'm working as a teacher for Wagon. My advice for people who want to become freelance would be to keep on coding all the time, because it's good for you and for your visibility. The first job will be the toughest one to find, but use the community and take advantage of this and you'll find one.